I started with Hanita Lenses from 2016 until now with more than 7,000 IOLs implanted.
I have been using Hanita implantable lenses already for 2.5 years, and I have been extremely satisfied with this brand. It's really amazing how they are into continuous research and development of a new enhancement.
Do you know about Intensity IOL? This is a new technology with 5 foci, symmetrical distributed, to provide your patient continuous vision.
I have used already the Intensity lens, which is a wonderful lens because it has pentafocality. It gives a good range of vision and a continuous vision without interference or loss of focus in between one distance and the other. And it's really a good result that I get from those lenses.
I've been using the Intensity lens since May 2020, and I use it in bilateral refractive lens procedures, which can be either for refractive purposes only or for cataract surgeries. And we've recently analyzed our results of using this lens. And I think that the most important part of the result is the fact that the defocus curve is extraordinary compared to other lenses that I've been using for many years now.
Most of my patients come to me because they don't want to keep wearing glasses. So, we have a broad amount of intraocular lenses out there, and you tend to go with the one that best works for you. I have found that in Hanita Intensity lenses. So I encourage you to use Hanita lenses in your practice. You won't be disappointed.
Right now, I've been implanted over 1,000 IOLs. Great visual acuity. The stability is awesome. The only they have been improved with the recharge ones. So I invite you to use Hanita lenses and confirm what has been found in the last years.
My experience with Intensity lens has been a surprise for me for its excellent performance in close and medium continuous vision. The same was with the toric lens. The select patient hadn't problem a long time with the night vision. Me and the patient are very satisfied. Thank you.
I've been using Hanita lenses for about 3 years right now, and the visual results and satisfaction of my patients are excellent. Hanita has a wide variety of IOLs as well as a wide range of IOL powers, so we can use them in many patients. Customer service and support are excellent. I'm very happy with Hanita lenses right now.
For each intraocular lens that I I implant to my patients, I not only see these lenses like hydrophobic, hydrophilic, multifocal, toric lens. I not only see the back or axis of my patient, I also see the faces of this company. I mean, the person that's working to create this excellent lens.
Et j'ai commencé à poser quelques Intensity depuis 3-4 mois. Les retours sont faciles et c'est vraiment agréable. Plutôt pour des gens jeunes, 60, 65 ans, 70 ans. Et puis, mais vraiment, c'est facile.
Les résultats sont excellents. J'ai trouvé avec le Pentafocal Intensity d'excellents résultats, aussi bien avec le cylindre qu'avec le Mini, et ce sur des yeux vierges que sur des yeux opérés de chirurgie réfractive. La vision intermédiaire, la vision de près et la vision de loin sont excellentes. À l'heure actuelle,
Hanita Intensity is one of the best implants right now. It gives a continuous vision at distance up to reading, a continuous vision which has been a big problem with multifocals since the beginning. With the pentafocality of Hanita Intensity, it really provides a continuous vision.
I'm from 2020 with more than 1,000 Intensity IOLs implanted, also with the toric version. My patients and I are happy with this new technology.